Don't fall in love with her again, a voice within me warned. You never fall out of love because another voice countered with an evil laugh. This is what Chetan Bhagat wrote in his book Half Girlfriend. And now we have Arjun Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor who are putting life into the characters of Madhav and Riya. So welcome Arjun.
बहुत बढ़िया विचार है आप, बहुत बढ़िया विचार, एकदम उत्तम विचार है.
So welcome Arjun and welcome Shraddha.
ऐसा चेतन जी लिखे?
नहीं, ये मैंने लिखा.
नहीं, हम किताब पढ़े नहीं तो हमें क्या पता क्या.
So किताब में तो ये लिखा है.
हाँ तो हम वही कह रहे हैं, हमने किताब नहीं पढ़ी ना.
नहीं पढ़ी है, that's all. But it's
पर बहुत अच्छा लिखा है और आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया, लोगों को दर्शाया ऐसे.
Finally, your upcoming film Half Girlfriend is about to hit the screens. So are there any sort of jitters? Like, are you nervous? Are you excited? So what kind of feeling is this?
यार अभी सच्ची कन्फेशन करूँ, the issue is that when you are promoting for your film and it's about to release, you actually start looking forward to the film releasing. So at a certain point, you can just switch off and calm down because you're so all over the place with marketing and promotion that you don't get time to think about the work that you've done.
Yeah. I mean, I am beginning to feel nervous.
Yeah.
I would say that. I feel like it's an important film for me
all of us.
and all of us, I would say.
So now we're moving to another segment, which is a game.
Okay.
I'll give you two situations. I'll give two situations to you, and you have to be Madhav and you have to be Riya.
Okay.
So the first and you have to speak in Bihari, Arjun.
Okay.
You mean in
We have to be Madhav and
and
Riya.
Riya. When you have to stop her from breaking up with you.
अरे पर पहले गर्लफ्रेंड तो बने फिर ब्रेकअप होगा ना. चलिए हम पहले आपसे पूछते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ देखिए, इनको रिया ही बोला ना, श्रद्धा तो नहीं.
रिया बोलो.
रिया, हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी जो दोस्ती है, जो बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती है.
Madhav, I've already told you this before.
नहीं, हम
we're not going on a date. We're not. We're just going to go and watch a movie. That's it. हम सिर्फ इसे डेट नहीं कहते हैं. We're just hanging out.
नहीं, पर हम डेट करें बोल रहे थे. हम बोल रहे थे कि आप बिल भर दोगे अगर हम जाएंगे चाय पीने.
Fine. I don't mind. ठीक है, कोई बात.
मोनेटाइजेशन हो गया तो नोट्स कम आए.
कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं माना.
तो बहुत आगे निकल गई. हम तो अभी हाथ पकड़ने तक नहीं पहुंचे. आप डेट करोगे, डेट मतलब फिर आप अगला बोलोगे मम्मी पापा को आके मिलिए, शादी वादी के लिए अभी थोड़ा टेक इट इजी. फिर और क्या करना है?
This situation is when you catch your partner cheating on you. When you catch Riya cheating on you.
हमारे साथ धोखा किया तुम हमको बोले तुम हमारी हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड हो और यहाँ पे फुल खाना खा रही हो अकेले बैठ के. इतना बड़ा घनघोर चीटिंग हमारे साथ. जैसे वो कहते हैं यू आर चीटिंग किया आपने हमारे साथ.
पर मैं क्या करूं? पर मैं क्या करूं माधव? तुम्हें पता है माय फर्स्ट लव इज फूड.
पर ये पहले बता देते तो हम तुम्हारे साथ हाफ
मैं पता है कि मैं ये खाना बिल्कुल रेजिस्ट नहीं कर सकती. वो मेरा फर्स्ट लव है.
चीटिंग किया, एक तो डाइट पे चीटिंग, ऊपर से हमारा खाना भी खा वो भी चीटिंग.
चलेगा.
इतना चीटिंग.
इट्स ओके.
हमने कुछ छोड़ा भी नहीं. कम से कम
माधव, खाना, फूड इज माय फर्स्ट लव. आई कांट हेल्प माय सेल्फ.
पकाना आता है आपको वैसे?
नहीं.
तो फिर तो वैसे ही रिश्ते में
खाना आता है बहुत
अच्छे.
अच्छे.
आपको पकाने आता है ना हमको, तो फिर रोज टेक अवे करना पड़ेगा. इतना बजट है हमारा.
कर लेंगे. डोंट वरी.
चलिए, मुझे लगता है बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी रोज खाना खाने के लिए. हमसे पहले आप सारा खाना खा जाएंगे.
करेक्ट.
फिर भी हम तुमको चाहेंगे.
ओह माय गॉड.
खाने के बिना मर जाएंगे फिर भी तुमको चाहेंगे.
ओह माय गॉड. वाओ.
So, what's your take on Half Girlfriend? What is Half Girlfriend?
What is our take on Half Girlfriend? Well, it's pretty much what the film is about. Yeah,
it's those relationships now that you would want so much more out of, but circumstances might not allow it. But if there is true love, true emotion with two people, you don't want to let go either. So that in between space that happens in the relationship, I think that's what you can say our film deals with.
How was it working with each other?
It was awesome working with him.
बहुत खराब एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा. मतलब अगर आप तहे दिल से पूछो तो मैं आज कन्फेस करना चाहूँगा कि मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि 10 दिन बाद ये पिक्चर लग रही है और फिर श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ मुलाकात नहीं होगी मेरी. कहीं ना कहीं बहुत थकान महसूस हुई. एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी है कि इतनी बेहतरीन कलाकार हैं ये कि मुझे मौका ही नहीं मिला अपनी कला दर्शाने का. बिल्कुल बातचीत नहीं करती मुझसे. एकदम अलग छोड़ के रखा था मुझे, एकदम आइसोलेट करके. और बहुत बिजी रहती है तो हाय हेलो से ज़्यादा गुफ्तगू नहीं हो पाती हमारी.
माय गॉड.
तो अगर आप सच पूछे तो ऐसा रहा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस काम करने का. और हंसती तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, हमेशा उबली से रहती है.
So one thing you got to know about each other which people do not know.
She's a Habshi. She's a aurat.
She's loves.
And she loves gifts.
I love freebies.
Freebies.
Who doesn't
एक
love
पेंसिल भी दोगे तो बहुत खुश हो जाती है.
And what do you got to know about Arjun?
I think he can crack some really good PJs.
श्रद्धा कपूर को इम्प्रेस करना है तो सारे पीजेस निकाल लो अपनी ड्रॉ से
Draw.
और याद कर लो. जैसे बोलो मैडम knock knock who's there? Just go. Imagine if people start meeting you and cracking PJs. They don't say hi, how are you?
Yeah.
They just crack PJs, thinking that this is what is the way to your getting your attention.
So this is the game called Two Truths and a Lie. So I'll ask you about Arjun and I'll ask you about Shraddha. So I'll give you one truth, one lie and two truths.
Okay.
So you'll have to identify the lie.
Okay.
So Shraddha, for you first. So the first lot, Arjun's birth date is on June 26, 1983. Second, Arjun's debut film was Ishaq Zade. Third, Arjun worked as an assistant director for Kal Ho Na Ho, so which is a lie.
He's born in 1985.
Correct.
And the second lot again, Arjun doesn't have a half girlfriend. Arjun's pet name is Fugu. Third, half girlfriend is Arjun Kapoor's 8th film.
Let me think.
इस इंटरव्यू में ये क्लू होगा.
What is one sec actually? Wait, what is the first one?
Arjun doesn't have a half girlfriend. Second is Arjun's pet name is Fugu. And third is
Fugu.
Fugu.
Fubu.
Fugu.
Fubu.
Fugu.
Huh.
Arjun's so half girlfriend is Arjun Kapoor's 8th film. So
He
which
doesn't
one is
have a half girlfriend
doesn't have a half girlfriend?
in real life.
I don't have a husband. तो वो तो सच है.
Lie identify करना. You have to identify a lie.
नहीं, तुम्हारे हिसाब से वो लाए है क्योंकि बाकी दोनों चीजें भी सही है तो तुमने तीनों सच बोले. सवाल में घोची है.
हाँ, सवाल में घुस गए. So
धदम ये तो डिलीट होने वाला है कंफर्म है क्योंकि सवाल में घोची निकली.
And now I'm going to ask you about Shraddha.
सवाल चेक कर लो.
कर लिया
इसमें तो
check.
घोची नहीं है.
इसमें घुची नहीं है.
Because it is my 8th film
This is your 8th film.
and yeah, my nickname is Fubu.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So now I'm going to ask you about Shraddha.
नहीं क्या बात कर. क्यों? श्रद्धा से मेरा क्या लेना देना?
अभी तो हो क्या लेने देना. हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड कर ली.
कब की?
अभी तो करी. अभी
अभी
आने
मतलब
वाली है
कल-
May 19th को.
अच्छा चलो तुम कह रहे हो तो मान लेते थे.
So the first lot is Shraddha's debut film was Teen Patti. Shraddha has never repeated her co-star in her movies.
No.
Shraddha's birthday is on March 3.
पर इसमें फिर भी तीनों सच है ना?
कहाँ
नहीं.
सच है?
क्यों?
She got to.
नहीं बस your birthday is correct.
You're cheating.
What is the first option you said?
Shraddha's debut film was Teen Patti. The
That is correct. That is the
second one,
truth.
the second
You've
one was,
repeated. You've done 2 films with Ali.
has never repeated her co-star in her movies.
So that's मतलब that's the lie. Correct. Okay. That's what. Okay. Very confusing.
Yeah, he got it.
What
He
I
got
meant
it. But
is
he
that
got it.
But you got
She
it.
has
I'll give you a
repeated the
point for
course.
that.
Correct.
So the second lot is Shraddha is working in 2 biopics. Shraddha has lent her voice for every film. Shraddha got the Filmfare nomination for the Best Actress for her role in Ashki.
I don't think you sang in every film.
That's the lie.
शुरुआत में तो पहली बार तो गलियां आ गया था.
So Arjun, the film is basically half girlfriend. So do you have
Basically,
a,
no, it is half girlfriend.
It is half girlfriend. So do you have a real life half girlfriend?
No, I don't have real life half girlfriend. But
He has real life half girlfriend.
but you wouldn't want to have that situation. That happens
Yeah.
because there are complications and there are things that you can't quite speak about right now. But what I'm saying is, honestly, in my life, I've had it in the past, but in this moment, I think I would want full commitment.
Full commitment.
I'm ready for it, so I would hope whenever it happens, there's full commitment.
But I remember, like, when I was in school, I had a crush on someone, and I liked him so much, but I was really shy, and I wouldn't be able to tell him, and so I would blank call him. Yes, I had the courage to blank call him and not say a word, and so I couldn't be his half girlfriend or quarter girlfriend or anything. So yeah.
So Shraddha, can you sing "फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगा" for our Pinkvilla fans, if you don't mind?
Usually, फिर भी तुमको
I think फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगी.
चाहूँगी. Okay,
Yes.
your version.
Yes, I will do that. So here goes. मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगी, मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगी, इस चाहत में मर जाऊँगी, मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूँगी.
Superb.
Thanks,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Oh, you were saying superb to her? Oh.
Yeah, for her, like
Oh,
for
but
singing this
thanks.
song. So,
मुझे आदत है तारीफ की. So, thanks. आप बाद में करोगे, मैं पहले थैंक्स बोलूँ.
we are finally, now the film is going to release on May 19th, Half Girlfriend. Please do watch the film with Arjun and with Shraddha Kapoor, Madhav and Riya.
मतलब we are in the film. Don't wait for us to go and watch the film. What she's trying to say is we might not be there in every show, but we are there on the screen. Correct?
Yeah.
वरना कोई केस कर देगा कि आपने वादा किया था हम आएंगे उनके साथ देखने को वेट कर रहे थे.
Yeah, guys, please go and watch it on the 19th of May. So, guys, if you've enjoyed this interview, then
Press like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy all the other content on Pinkvilla as well, along with our interview and our madness.
yep.